Hey guys, what's up? Today is what I'm dubbing Persona Day. In my other video, if you watched it, I unboxed the Persona Dancing All Night Disco Fever Edition. Now I'm going to be unboxing the Persona 4 Limited Edition Anime Collection. Now I'm not a big fan of anime, but I am a big fan of Persona, so when I saw this, I had to pick it up. So let's see, we have the Blu-ray discs, which basically just that, the cases, everything on the back. You got your standard 1, 2, 3, 4 discs on the inside, some pretty cool artwork on the inside of the cases. Next up we have the standard DVDs for those people that still use DVDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 discs. You can see the artwork behind it as well. Pretty cool. Pop that off. You got Chie there. And then lastly, we have a box here. Inside, it has a Chie button set, Persona 4 eyeglass cleaning cloth, 8 tarot cards, and a sticker sheet. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So these are the tarot cards. I'm not going to open them just yet. Might do another video later, but that's them. Sticker sheet. Pretty cool. Got Teddy over there. And then the Persona eyeglass cleaning cloth. Persona 4 the animation. And then the Chie button set. It says I love exercise, Dexy and Lexi. No pain, no gain. And then a smiley sticker. So pretty cool for that box set. Again, I'm not an anime fan, but I am a Persona fan, so when I saw this, I had to pick it up. I'll probably do a review, maybe later, on the animation, see what I think of it. Again, you know, I got not much to base it on, because I'm not an anime person for the third time, but maybe I'll do a review on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.